So what I did was I had a 25,000-pound winch underneath there. I don't know if you can see it. I took reinforced hardened steel, built a bracket off the frame. I'll turn on some small light here. Yeah, I built a steel frame. Goes down to the original mounting brackets and everything. Then what I did was I mounted it way down here at the base of the lawnmower. Mount right there. And say Yardworks Hydro Lock tractor with a 12-horse engine there, Briggs and Stratton. But yeah, I used high gauge L bracket steel, attached it to the original mounting brackets. Didn't have to drill any holes in the original blower, which was an upside. All we had to do was cut some steel. We used L bracket steel, like I already said, about 13 inches, 15 inches of L bracket steel on both sides. And we went down from the top mounting brackets down to the bottom. And then we had to run the winch to the base here after we redid the winch cable, obviously, because it's on backwards right now. But that's so it can lift it up and down. And with this setup, I get about almost a foot underneath the blow. So I got about the same amount of clearance as I have underneath my riding lawnmower. What I'm gonna do is I got some plate steel over there. Cut a piece out. I'm gonna cover this up, and then I'm fairly sure this will work awesomely all year. Thank you. Please subscribe for more awesome off-road lawnmower and utility vehicle videos. Thank you and goodbye.